Why should I buy a property through an agent? I get calls from the developer and I can go directly and buy a property. This is the number one question I get asked from my clients. If you go with an agent to buy a property, the agent will tell you why you should buy this property. He will give you the market analysis, what was the price when initially these projects launched and what are the prices their clients are getting now. He will give you the numbers why you should go for the property. The second thing is that when you go directly to the developer don't have any other option. He will just try 100% to sell that particular project. But if you go with your agent, definitely if he feels that you are not getting the right unit, he will tell you don't buy it now, we will wait for something good. If you buy a property through an agent and you want to sell it in the middle of the payment plan, then this agent will try to sell that property with more appreciation, because this agent will have a network of the investors where you will be able to sell the property more fast with more good price. Almost all the developers in Dubai market are working with the agents, and more than 90% of their stocks are being sold by the agents. The reason is that the investors don't want to work without the agents. They know that if we are buying the property through agents now, we would be able to sell it through the agents and their network.